it works is that it locks together. See how those pieces lock together like that?
Yeah.
And then these lock together like this. See that?
Yeah.
So you feel that where it's coming together there? So that's locked together, right?
Yeah.
Well, it's not perfect yet, but you can get it where you can almost not see the line, right? But these pieces right here and these pieces right here,
Brittle.
they're brittle. Mm-hmm. They're just pieces of vinyl.
Yeah.
They're very brittle, right? Mm-hmm. That's why this stuff's only $2 a square foot instead of, carpet's $15 a square foot.
Yeah.
So that's the first piece, all right? So luckily for this in the bathroom, 2 pieces will go this whole length. You just got to cut one off. So, what we're going to do is move around this way now because I'm running out of room. So I cut this piece right here just now. And the way I do this, see, you're not going to have to cut any more corners at all, which is good. But to cut a corner, all I did was I said, okay, it's right. No, I went like this and I made this mark, and then I went over like here and I made that mark right there, and then I just cut it with a jigsaw. Put the level on it, put a line, cut it with a jigsaw. Okay. Mm-hmm. Now, if you're just cutting straight off, use a chop saw.
Yep.
You're gonna miss that long chop saw though, because you got to flip the board over.
Okay.
Okay. It's loud in here. All right. So we got this one now. All right. So we put that one in place, and so you just kind of stick it on here, pick it up. Let it drop into place like that. See that?
Yeah.
And then slide it down to where you want it. And of course we got trim that goes here, right?
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter that I messed up my cut there. Okay. And then we take the other one and we go, okay, so how do we get this measurement? Make sure you got the right side out. So we know it's going to go like that with this edge here. Mm-hmm. So what we do is we just flip it over. Like that. So there's our line right there, right? Mm-hmm. Leave a little bit on the end there. This is all going to be under cabinet anyway, right? Yeah. All of the cabinet's going to be right here, right? So it's not a big deal. And we just make our mark there, okay? And then that leaves, right? That cuts off the right part. Just got to remember to cut the right part off, right? Mm-hmm. Nice and loud. And this just chews this stuff up, but it doesn't really matter. I just line that up. And then if you have to, see all the little bits, just take this one, hold it up at an angle, slide it in, pick that one up, slide it under so it touches. So it's pretty close as you can get it. Lay it down, make sure that stays flat. See how it's kind of up a little bit? Yeah. That's good, that's fine, that's what we want. Take my little special hammer that I've had forever. I lost the rubber part.
Oh no.
Yeah, but it's alright, we need it. And then we just tap this in. Like that. That's all there is to it. And then what you do is you see, this should be flat. You don't want any movement in there, right? Mm. And now we alternate. So now this one goes on this side now. Okay?
Yeah.
So I'll sit here and watch if you want. And you leave yourself a little room on the end there so that you can, because you got plenty of room, right?
Yeah.
Because we can put trim under it. And you actually want to leave room so it can expand, because this stuff, as it heats and cools, it expands and contracts. say I did that. See how the floor's uneven?
Yeah. I mean, once it's kind of all in, it's like.
I think it'll lay down.
Yeah, and once you have like things resting on it, like the toilets on it, I think it's.
Yep.
The trim's holding it down.
And yeah, and caulk. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because this all gets caulked too, because we don't want water to get underneath.
Yeah.
I can move. You need to. Which way you need to go?
I don't know.
You good?
I think I might need to come this way more towards it.
So
I see that line.
So you got to pick it up a little bit and pop it in. There you go.
I don't know how to do that over there. It feels like it.
Let's see. You got to hold the board too, so. Let's stick it back on the other side of the box so you're stable.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
What?
You're surely not gonna cut from right there.
Why not? Oh.
Cut the lines.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Closer to the edge of the box you are, the more stable you are. If you didn't have this, you just come back up, cut a circle, and then come out and cut your angle back later,
I see what you mean.
right?
Yeah.
Because this is, make sure you're doing the throwaway, which is this. This is the, right?
Yeah.
This is, yeah, this is the throwaway. So
Yeah. Perfectly straight line.
Sorry. It's not easy with a jigsaw.
That's very hard.
Yeah.
It's not very hard, but it's not easy.
It's very hard.
Very nice. Okay.
Absolutely breathtaking.
Now we gotta do it again over here, right? So what we do is we go this way, like this. Mark his here. Okay. Mark this here. Like that. No, that's not correct. I'm about to mess up. Alright, because this is the end that goes over here, so we'll cut the end first. Then we'll come back and cut that
Yeah.
off.
Yeah, that's right.
Cut this first. Had the right blade, it wouldn't do that. It would cut right. But I don't have the right blade. All right, that's better. So we're gonna go here, and we're gonna go. Should be 4.5, right? Nope, 4 1/4. All right, so that's 3 3/4, 3 3/4, 4 1/4, 4 1/4. And this is the piece that goes away, right? That way you don't.
Yeah, that's smart.
Now, because we already invested some cuts in here, it's not a bad idea. Just check it, right? We'll go cut it. So we go there. Looks about right, doesn't it?
Yep. Looks clear.
Sometimes this gets a little funky to try to. Tappity tappity tappity.
Under the floor.
Yeah.
Where did it go? What? How does that happen? Oh, it happens easily, all the time. So what I do when that happens is I just start cleaning up, right?
Yeah.
And then it shows up maybe under the saws.
Voila! We have a floor. Very nice, Dad.
Now we need the toilet. I need the toilet base. Put the toilet in next. When Shelly gets back, we're gonna take some thin set and we're just gonna
Yeah.
make a swirly kind of pattern and paint it. So it's not just concrete block.